Hi all, welcome back. Today I've come with a very interesting video, a day well spent with my daughter. This video I have included a tips and tricks for a fussy eater, a full day meal plan for a fussy eater. For the breakfast, I plan to make a simple egg sandwich using a whole wheat bread and a smoothie, which is apple banana berry smoothie. You can add any fruits as you like, even vegetables like spinach, kale, etc. Eating a healthy breakfast gives you a good start and energy to cope with what the day throws at you. We should always try preparing different food recipes that vary in taste and texture and color, and this will encourage your child to look forward for his or her food. And so I'm filling the sandwich with scrambled egg and one cheese slice, and smoothie is also done. So the breakfast is complete, and in fact this is a complete filling breakfast, and further snack is not needed between the lunch. So it's time to call her. Encourage your child to eat by himself or herself. Also, make the feeding time very fun and interesting by talking to them. Try to eat with them as often as you can. Ask them to involve in food preparation. Regular physical activity is very important for the body balance, for building strong muscles, bones, and controlling body weight. For today's lunch, I have planned to make a chickpea veg patty. For this, in a pan, add some oil or butter, adding the chopped onion, garlic paste, little salt or pepper or any herbs you can add. After that, adding the chopped sweet corn and boiled potatoes, boiled chickpeas and some broccoli. You can add any vegetables to your choice. Basically, you can use whatever vegetables you have in fridge, freezer or any particular veg that you want your picky child to eat. Saute for at least 8 to 10 minutes by adding garam masala and added 1 slice of bread. Now allow the vegetable mixture to cool down to room temperature and grind well. Make some balls and coat in the bread crumbs mixture and place on palm and gently press with another palm to flatten the ball and make round patties. Repeat the same. Place these patties in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This helps the patties to hold the shape and prevent them from disintegrating while frying. Shallow fry the batch of patties at least for 3 to 4 minutes until the patties are evenly browned. This is vegan and protein rich patties made with colorful vegetables with a blend of spices. This is unbelievably tasty. Your kids will love it. So you can give it with rice with a teaspoon of ghee and they will definitely love it. Do try. It is always better to make homemade tea time snacks for kids. Here we have made banana blueberry muffins with a cup of milk. So all playing is done, and for dinner I have planned to make some avocado chapati. For that I am grinding some avocado. You can mash it with a fork too, but this time I am grinding. For that I am adding 1 cup of avocado puree and 2 cups of wheat flour, little salt and some spice powders like chili powder or cumin powder and little lemon juice if required. Mix well and cover it for 15 minutes. After that, take a ball and flatten it and dust the flour and roll into a chapati. Heat up a tawa and on a medium heat place the chapati and let it cook. So it is ready and you can serve with some any dip as you like. Motivate your child by incorporating healthy food habits for kids, but never force feed your child. Some days are productive, but some days are really unproductive. So never give up. Think positive, stay strong. Hope you like my video, and thanks for watching.